All right, my friends. Now I know that you've seen 150 of these already, and I don't care. I'm gonna video my own very real reactions to what's about to go down in this box. Now, I think it's been 2 days since everybody started to get theirs, and I have seen people grumbling. I've seen people so excited. I've seen people didn't even get their hands on them and selling them before they even got to look at their own stuff, like unopened. So just know that I'm not one of those people. I'm gonna give you a pretty real reaction to what's in here. I personally, I hope I love it. I do. That's my deal. But I need you to know that I freaking love surprises. So I have stayed away from anything except for the sneak peeks that Erin Condren's team let out, and it's about to go down. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! All right, I know, I'm a dork. Okay, I don't even want to see that, right? All right, so we all saw that. Fall is proof that change is beautiful, and if you don't know, I'm already one of those people who I let that quote that is, fall's about to show us how beautiful it is to let things go. Yep. All right, so seasonal surprise box. Reduce stress, reorganize, and reset.
Ready to fall in love with new seasonal surprises? Autumn is the perfect time to unplug and tap into your creativity and connect to what matters most. We've curated this thoughtful, colorful, and fall fabulous collection to inspire and delight you. I really hope I am delighted. So enjoy this beautiful, reversible, giftable box bursting with our team's handpicked faves, exceptional exclusives, and sure to be bestsellers.
All right, I'm not gonna read the rest of this because, you know, you probably already did. I'm not going to look at this. I wanna look at this. All right, let's make sure we're all up in the business. All right, 1, 2. Oh my goodness, what the hell is that? All right, foldable ornaments. Okay. Isn't there a winter surprise box? Why do I need an ornament for fall? Okay. If you say so. To relax with. My ornament, I mean, it's pretty and it's cool, but okay. So I'm not gonna open this one because I get the gist of the other one. All right. Decorative asterisk tape. All right. So that means that's like glue tape, but decorative. That's actually kind of cool. I dig it. I like that. I will use that. You can always start over. What is this? Clay? Is this really clay? All right, we'll put that aside because I don't want to look at the thing yet. Pens. Gel pens. Set of 3 gel pens. Okay. Are they colored gel pens? They're kind of cool. They feel awesome, which is strange as hell. I guess I'm a tactile person. Set of 3 gel pens. Okay. Hexagon sticky notes. 3 notepads, 60 sticky notes. Well, given the fact that I thought the hexagon went over like a lead balloon, to me at least, I've never been impressed with anything that comes out hexagon, but okay. I mean, that's pretty. It is kind of pretty. Let's see what writes on it. Does this? All right, so that's a black pen. Just, okay. Because they're like plasticky. All right, they're cute. They are. I guess you got to write on it with a different kind of pen. Alrighty then. All right, so we didn't try those pens. What are you? Keep your head up. Keep your heart strong. So looking at this, I'm going to assume that this is a greeting card. It's 3 greeting cards. keep your head up, keep your heart strong. One that matches the box and one that says hello friend. Okay. And it's blank and it comes with a gorgeous envelope. Okay. All right, not my jam, but okay. The best time for new beginnings is now. Well, if I liked purple, I would love this. It is really pretty though, and I do really like it. It's kind of like tie-dye almost, and I dig it. I think it's a good exclusive cover. Okay, it says a lot because the best time for new beginnings is now. All right. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. Same sticker as what's on the inside of the box, and I love that. That's one that this is a sticker right here that I'm gonna have a hard time using. I'm gonna have to put that on something that like legit I'm gonna keep forever. All right, now here is the thing. It's called a pad folio. Okay, let's just go back to these. I really like these, but I could care less about these. Could care less? I could not care less. That's a peeve of mine when people say, oh, I could care less. Could you? Well then, that's saying something, isn't it? So I could not care less for those. Leaf stickers. Yeah, they do nothing for me. Let's get it done. Okay, so this is like a really heavy duty thing. Like, this is a big thing. And now we all saw it. So as for it being the big ticket item and the fact that we all saw it already is kind of annoying, but it's really cool. Now, to find a use for this, I don't know. I don't know. But we're gonna try out these freaking pens, okay? Let's close this bad boy up and get our box out of the way. Let's check it out. All right, so, I mean, it is exactly what you saw in the sneak peek. You know, it's a pad of paper. Here's one that's like navy blue on the outside. Let's see. What's today? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so they're all black. Well, alrighty then. All right. So we knew that this was a thing. We have a very pretty cover. 2 sticker sheets. Meh. Some cards. 1, 2, 3. Some hexagon sticky notes. I should get rid of this because, you know. And then we got the 3 pens, okay? Let's bust this open. All right. Tape design is asterisk. So we'll do it right on the back of this. Here, maybe. It's got a little cap, and then it's got tape. Okay, so it went down super easy. Okay, now I have to see what it looks like on paper. All right, I didn't look at a single other video. I didn't see a sneak peek of anybody's stuff. I didn't see a review, but I think this stuff is awesome. I'm about to use it all. All right, you can barely even tell it's like tape on the paper. It's really thin and it's so vibrant. It's awesome. I love it. All right, last but not least, my friends, what the hell is this? You can always start over. Okay. So, 7. It's an eraser. Okay. It's not clay. It's an eraser. I'm sorry. All right, but the words look like they're not on the eraser, right? I thought it was clay. Yeah, so that sucks. Like, the words should be on the eraser. That would be cool. All right, so vegan leather pad folio set, paper ornament 2-pack, hexagon sticky notes, ballpoint pen set. It does say it's gel pens. 2 exclusive sticker sheets, metallic interchangeable cover, large eraser, asterisk decorative tape, metallic stationery set. Over 90 bucks. All in a reversible box that you can turn inside out and use again. All right, my friends. Well, I don't know. So, I think that the ornaments are strange. I'm totally bummed that the greatest thing, that, like, not greatest, but the biggest thing, I cannot get this eraser open. I'm bummed that the biggest thing that's in the box, they already told us. I guess if you were having issues with people's happiness last time, I mean, you show the anchor, but that's a bummer. And then I guess I like the other stuff. I mean, these are cool. This one's cool. Cover's always cool. The pens, I don't know, because I hate having to take a cap off of a pen. I know that sounds stupid, but I do. And this eraser is a weird thing that I can't even get it open. And it really should have had the lettering on it somehow, wrapped in paper. I don't know. All right, well, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start playing with this sucker, seeing what we can do with this. I mean, these come out, so it doesn't always have to be that thing. I wonder how creative we can get with this. All right, people, listen, if you got the fall surprise box, tell me what your favorite thing was. If you didn't get this fall surprise box, are you happy you didn't get it? Or are you a little bummed? Let me know in the comments down below while I play with my paper ornament ball. Yep. All right, my friends. You have a great freaking day, and take care of each other. All right? Peace.